With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students, now we're going to see this question. The question says that the temperature of the gas rises during an adiabatic compression, okay? Although no heat is given to the gas from outside. Why? Okay, so firstly we'll see the first law of thermodynamics. We have delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W, okay? Where Q is heat, basically I'm writing over here. Q is heat and delta Q is change in heat. U is internal energy and basically W is work, okay? And since we are using this delta signs, means all are talking about change in things, okay? Change in their quantities. So if you see over here, okay, if you see properly, then you will find out in this question that it is adiabatic compression. So in adiabatic compression, in adiabatic process, basically adiabatic process, delta Q becomes 0 because there is no transfer of heat whatsoever. So what will get this equation as? This equation will read as delta U must be equal to minus of delta W. Okay, so in compression, basically the work done is basically negative. In compression work done is negative. So if you see change in work done, it will be basically negative and negative, which will become positive. Hence delta U will become greater than 0. Okay, means if work done is negative, means delta W is equal to negative. Okay, that means minus delta W is greater than 0. Okay, because we put a minus sign. So delta U will be greater than 0. If change in internal energy is greater than 0, hence there will be a rise in temperature. Rise in temperature due to change in internal energy, basically increase in internal energy. Increase in internal energy. Okay, so you can see over here, since there, even though there is no heat supplied, okay, there is a temperature change. Why? Because a rise in temperature is caused due to the change in internal energy. Okay, change in internal energy. This is why the rise in temperature is caused, and even though there is no heat provided. Understood? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.